What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at another new 2025 Matchbox 5-pack. We have the Matchbox Construction 7. Now, here's the thing. Basically, I'm not too much into construction vehicles, and I don't know too much about them, but in my opinion, there's a good reason to buy the set. But let's take a quick look at the packaging. First, here you can see on the side, and here on the back, the main motive is the excavator. It's down there. And here on the side, we see the models. And you see, we have 4 generic models and only 1 licensed casting. And that might be a reason for a lot of people not to buy this set. But in my opinion, this is definitely a pretty good set because of the decos of these models. And yeah, let's take a look at them. Let's slide the models out and let's get started with this guy here, which is the water worker. And as you can see, this one comes in ink deco, which in my opinion is one of the coolest liveries or decos that Matchbox is doing. I would say it's, for me personally, it's the second best. And let's take a quick look at a few other ink models. Of course, we have this guy here, or the Unimog, for example. And as we take a look at some other ink models, I mean, the more you have of them, the bigger the fleet is, the cooler, in my opinion, it is to collect these. So yeah, this is a pretty cool livery, and I said, for me personally, it's my second favorite livery, because my most favorite livery is, of course, national parks. It's not in the set, but yeah, I just wanted to show that. And here we have the same casting with these different 2 liveries. I mean, on this casting, you could say the ink deco looks better, but here are some more examples of the National Parks deco. So if you're not familiar with that, that might be pretty interesting for you. So yeah, this is National Parks, and yeah, in my opinion, the coolest Matchbox deco. But let's get back to ink. We have this one here, the water worker. I only have one other version of this casting. I think it was also in some other 5-pack that I can't remember. But if you compare these 2, definitely, in my opinion, the ink version looks so much better. And yeah, it's pretty cool to get a bigger ink fleet. And as you already saw in the packaging, as you put this guy into the parking lot, we had a second ink deco model in this set, which is this one here, that I'm personally seeing for the first time. I don't have any other version of this casting. It's called the Pulverizer. And let's take a look at the base. This is, oh, this seems pretty old. The base is saying 2005, and it seems to be retooled in 2013. So this is around for quite a while. But yeah, in ink deco, it looks just really cool. Now, we go on with another deco, which is Matchbox Construction. This guy is called the Dirt Smasher. Once again, I said I'm not really into construction vehicles, and I can't tell you exactly what this is. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what this thing is doing, but anyways, it looks kind of cool. And all of these Matchbox construction vehicles have their own unit number. Here you can see this guy. The Dirt Smasher has the unit number 23. As you can see, it also has a moving part. You can grab something like a tree log or something like that. Oops. There we go. I won't show you all of these Matchbox construction vehicles, but I do have a lot more of them from Inc. As you can see, here is a whole bag of these Matchbox construction vehicles. I think there are around 12 of these in there. And yes, this is how I collect my diecast stuff. By the way, I made a video about that. I put a link in the description down below. So these are in plastic bags, in a bigger plastic bag, and it doesn't take too much space. It's pretty, yeah, reasonable. So, yeah, that was the dirt smasher. It goes into the parking lot, and we have another one also in Matchbox Construction Deco. And I already mentioned it. This is the only licensed model, the Chevrolet 2016 Chevy Colorado Extreme. How old is this? 2017, it says. Yeah, we get nothing on the front, but we get the Matchbox Construction Deco on the side. And as you can see, this guy is unit number 22. Yeah, pretty nice to add this guy to the collection. I guess I will make a separate video for all of these Matchbox construction vehicles. And you see them all together. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to have a huge fleet of these. I mean, it takes some years to build it up, but with every one of these 5-packs, it gets cooler. So our final one is the Matchbox excavator, and this one comes in this Ranek or Ranek deco. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but anyways, this is also pretty cool. I only have one other model with this deco, which is this guy here, another Unimog. This is also a nice deco. I wish they would do it more often. So you've seen it before. We have seen the Unimog in Ranek and also in Ink Deco. And if you have them next to each other, I think it's always pretty cool. I mean, it would be cool if we would see another Unimog, for example, in this Matchbox Construction Deco. I don't know if they already did it, and I don't think it is in my bag here. So yeah, maybe they will do it in the future. It's pretty cool. So let's put these to the side. These excavators have yeah, two functions, if you will call it like that. You can turn it around like this. It doesn't go 360, and you can move this part. That's it. I only have one other version, which looks pretty similar, by the way, but we have a different shade of orange in the other parts. Of course, on the other one, the lower part is also orange. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, for the final picture, let's bring all the stuff that I brought out together, all of our ink models. I mean, yeah, this is really cool. If you have a parking lot full of these, I already said it, I have a whole bag of the Matchbox construction vehicles. And here are some of the national parks models. There's our Ranek stuff here. So yeah, even if a lot of these models aren't licensed, in my opinion, it's definitely worth picking them up and build up a huge fleet. Take a look at them from time to time. And with that said, thanks for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.